Hi guys, welcome back to our channel, Familia. In this video, I'm going to be showing you a really cool winter activity. You can do this activity when you stay at home due to the harsh weather going on outside. This activity is netting. I made this blanket in 9 months, half during last winter and half in this winter. I used thick wool for this blanket so it can be very soft and very fluffy. The first thing I had to do was plan everything out, so I wrote all the information on this whiteboard. The color scheme I chose was white and purple. I also planned to make 80 patches with 10 in a row as the length and 8 in a row as the width. Each patch was a square shape with the size 15 by 15 centimeters. Each patch was made by the same method, so let's show you how I made one patch. First, take as much of a yarn as you need and then make a slip knot. Just follow the same method of what I'm doing. The needles I used were 10 millimeters from the company's Susan Bates. Since I wanted a soft blanket, I had to use thick wool, which was a little expensive because it was $13 per yarn, and I used about 12 yarns. Based on my size, I had to make a total of 10 cast-ons. Now it is a complete square, so I will be starting the casting off procedure. Casting off is a little bit tricky, so carefully watch what I am doing. And now we're done with one patch, so I will be cutting off the excess yarn. So now look how pretty this patch is and how neat the pattern work is. And now here are the final 80 patches, which was a really big hard work and took months of progress. Now it's time to stitch all these patches together. For this I used thin black yarn and a needle which is specifically for knitting since the gap is bigger for the yarn to go through. Because of other work and my studies, it took me 3 months to join all these patches together. After joining all these patches, the next process was to add a cloth to the bottom and to add polyester stuffing inside. We bought the cloth here from Canada. We were about to do everything ourselves, but then my dad took the blanket and the cloth to Pakistan and got the job done by a professional worker. Here is my final look of the blanket, and see how professional it looks and how pretty it is with all the patches sitting in a fixed place. I hope you liked this winter activity. It was a lot of hard work, but alhamdulillah, it turned out exactly how I wanted it. Make sure to like, subscribe, and share. Bye!